Hello, my name is Mercy from Zaymar Interiors, and we're excited to announce that we'll be attending Build Expo Africa 2026, taking place from 8th to 10th July in Nairobi at Carnival Grounds. We'd love to invite you to visit us at booth number 141, where we'll be showcasing our premium products which are perfect for both residential and commercial area. Our wall panel catalog include WPC flat panels, PS3D wall panels, SPC UV panels, and acoustic panels. And for the flooring solutions, we have SPC flooring, engineering wood, and WPC floor decors. For the new arrival, we have WPC tube, which can be used for both exterior and interior finishes. As a special thank you to everyone who will visit our booth and buy, we'll be having a 20% discount on all our products. See you there.